that too much for. He could box me and still they road a walk. And I might watch your talk. Pick and choose. Your begs with nothing true, you can't get it for you. You are give me money fi buy cartel and show. And I try style the man just because he refuse. About gal up or you lose.
Who wants test me? Who wants test me? Who wants test me?
I'm ready when you're ready.
Who wants test me?
Head up, break and bounce about.
Final part is also the video is going to be on dancehall artist Spice and the acceptance of dancehall artist Lisa Hyper apology for over the 10-year decade of back and forth. It's not really a back and forth, it's just that they had a mini feud and it was caused by Nuffy. But anyway, this is what Spice had to say, because like before, like I said, Spice had blocked Lisa Hype, but she answered nonetheless, and this is what Spice had to say. At Lisa Hyper, apology accepted, and I'd like to apologize to you too, because at the end of the day, the disrespect wasn't one-sided. I too retaliated towards you in my diss song in a very derogatory manner. I can tag you now because I just unblocked you after 10 years. Wow. Now so me keep malice long, big up yourself. A public apology takes humility, so I respect your bold move. Besides, we were younger and I know you were misled by a demon in human form, in which I'm sure if our friendship had continued, we would have been greater forced to reckon working together. But fun and joke aside, life is way too short and too much happening around us, especially in this time, for us to be carrying on disdain. I have no contempt towards you. In fact, I believe you are extremely talented and I wish you great success in this male-dominated business. We both share something in common. Hashtag Gaza for life. So that is what Spice had to say in regards in accepting the apology from Lisa Hype. And then within her comments, you know, the dancehall fraternity from Pamputi, Cecile and everybody as Popcorn was like, good move, you know, woman empowerment, and they're proud of it. And then Lisa Hype went ahead and then reposted and was telling her that she herself, you know, really appreciate the fact that she accept the apology. And Spice, you know, run her little joke with her and was like, see, you can tag me now, because as before she could not wear the blocking had concerned. So yeah, that's it for that. So the feud between Spice and Lisa had come to an end, and probably, who knows, it may not come now, probably next year, way down into next year or 2022, probably a collaboration, being that them go hard for the Gaza nation, something between she, Lisa and Vybz Kartel. But then again, probably Vybz Kartel been write the song from 2011 and did know so today Lisa Hype and Spice would have dropped the feud. So soon in the next video, I'm gone.